All right. Happy, is it Monday? Yes. Happy Monday, everyone. I'm just gonna do this really quick video about using non-default browsers. This is when you get into a situation where you're clicking on something and someone asks you to use a specific browser, like use Edge or use Chrome, and you click on the link and it doesn't work until you realize, wait, I'm using the browser they told me not to use. And I'm gonna go ahead and explain that as I'm working and I'm going to show you how to fix that. So maybe this will help. Okay, so let me go to the desktop. So we just, I'll get to Miss Broussard in just a second. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up an email that I got today from our fabulous music teacher, Miss Michelle Jackson. So she sent us a link and she did it in Google Chrome. So, if I were to click on this link, it's going to automatically open the document, but there are going to be some parts of it that don't work. I'm going to show you what I mean real quick. Let me go ahead and present it. And she spent a lot of time with this. This is just totally awesome. So it's interactive for the kids. I'm going to go ahead and do something here. There it is. See right here, video cannot be loaded. And she knows she did it right. When I did it the first time, I'm like, the video isn't playing. You did something wrong. But she checked her links, but it didn't work. The reason why is when you're using a Google app, okay, to do something. In this case, it's slides. It's gonna prioritize that. It's not gonna make it very easy for you to use other resources for it. Like Edge. I don't know if you saw the E here when I clicked that on. It wants you to use their own products. So right now, Edge is my default browser, and as you could see, when I clicked on it, it automatically just came up. Like I did it really quick. I'll do it again. See Edge, that E real quick. That was Edge. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close it. So let me show you what to do when you need to use a specific browser. What you're going to do is you're going to right click on the link and then you're going to copy the hyperlink. You're going to copy the hyperlink because you don't want to open it right away. You want to set your browser. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and open Chrome. Okay, and then we're going to paste it in the browser field. Okay, then now it looks very similar, but this time I should be able to play that video, okay, because I know that it works. Let's see, I think I picked this one or this one. Okay, there it is. See, it comes up because I played the right one. Told you. Well, I told you. Like I said, nothing that Michelle did wrong, nothing else that anybody else did wrong. It's just the makers of this product, Google Slides, they are giving it to you for free, but they want you to use their product. That's why they do it that way. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out real quick. And that's how you do it, by the way. And if you want to change browsers, sometimes I know when you open a certain document, it'll ask you if you want to make this your default browser. If you do, then that's going to be your browser that it's going to go to, because the word default means, well, you know what it means. It means it's going to go to that first. Okay, but that's how you kind of circumvent that. Okay, because some of you like Google Chrome as your default browser, others do not. And with HISD, certain things work with certain browsers. Like sometimes, I think OneSource or something, it works with Internet Explorer, the other one works with Edge. And if you look down here, they look very, very similar. Okay, Explorer with this little Saturn ring, that's the older one. And then the new one is Edge. It is also an E. It has just a little bit, slash, a little thing right here, just to make it different. But one is Edge and one is Explorer. I have all three browsers up here in case I need something. Okay. Now, here's something else I want to show you. Whenever you're creating links, sometimes these links can be very, very long. What I like to do is I like to clean it up. So I'm going to show you, I already have that link. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, okay? So just remember that. I'm going to copy that link again. I'm going to send a new email. I'm going to send it to myself, actually. Okay, and then I'm just going to put the subject as link. And right here, I'm going to say, hey, folks, look here. I made a video. That's a lie, though, because, Miss Jackson made it. So instead of doing this, where you have a very, very long link, I am not going to do that. I'm going to do this. Click here, and I'm going to highlight the words. And then I'm going to right click. I'm going to go ahead and create and put that link there, okay? So when I do that, see it says text to display is click here, and then the address is right here. The reason why these come up is sometimes I could lead you to a specific file as well, okay? But it's a new can of worms. I'll show you that next time. So I'm going to go ahead and Control V will paste what I just copied, which was Miss Jackson's link. And see, that's all you see. You just see click here. You don't see that big messy link, because sometimes I know when you guys are looking for addresses, it has a really, really long address field. So I'm going to go ahead and send that, and I should get it right away. There it goes. Let's see. There it is. And then I could just go ahead and click on it. See? When I scroll over it with my finger, it's going to show me the link that I'm clicking on. And once again, I could do what I just did last time. Open up that. No, we're not going to do that. We are going to, yeah, we're going to copy that hyperlink again, okay? Well, anyway, you get the picture. Let me see if I open that. Yeah, see? It's going to take me right there. But see, it's a lot cleaner that way. Sometimes this really, really helps if you have multiple links and you don't want to make your page all messy with all this, gibberish it looks like. You could just do click here for video 1, click here for video 2, click here for video 3, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that was just something really, really quick that I noticed people were having problems with. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out. And let me see if I can close this. There it is. Okay. So as always, if you have any questions, just go ahead and email me. Any comments, um, issues you may have, or any questions to kind of go deeper in this, I'd be more than happy to make another video or explain it. Okay. Have a great day.